The Sony ZV-E10 Mark II, released in late 2024, is a versatile camera designed especially for content creators and vloggers. So far, it stands out for its impressive features and user-friendly design. The camera features a compact and lightweight design, making it easy to handle during long shooting sessions. It includes a fully articulating 3-inch touchscreen that makes it easy to frame your shots from different angles. The ZV-10 Mark II features a 26 megapixel APS-C sensor paired with the BIONZ image processor, allowing for high-quality 4K video recording at up to 60 frames per second and excellent low light performance. Its advanced autofocus system includes 759 phase detection points and real-time eye autofocus, ensuring sharp focus on subjects in both photos and videos. The camera also offers a cinematic vlog setting that automatically adjusts the settings for optimal video capture. The ZV-10 Mark II comes with a versatile 16 to 50mm power zoom lens with a variable f3.5 to 5.6 aperture and optical steady shot image stabilization for smooth and stable footage. The upgraded battery allows for up to 195 minutes of continuous recording, making it more convenient for long shoots. In conclusion, the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II is an excellent choice for vloggers and content creators looking for a compact, high-performance camera that delivers professional quality results with ease of use.